Welcome to my channel, Leon Maeve. Guys, welcome to my channel, Leon Maeve. Today, I am going to open this surprise. I don't know what's inside. It's really shaky. How should I open this? Let's find out the Moji Pops. This is the Moji Pops. I can't keep on talking because I'm so talkative. I'm going to open the first one. I'm going to open this. First one. And the second one. Wow! There's a package. I don't know what packaging is here. I'm going to pick out the package. A package here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. A sign here on the screen, so I'm going to open it. Wow, look at this baby bottle.
You see?
Yeah.
You see the baby?
I mean, it's all juice.
It's a juice. Come on, show it here, baby.
Squishies.
Oh, she's smiling.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I see what else is in there? Nothing. There's still one more. I'm so excited. It's this thing. It's done in Teslas. And now just open this one. I'm going to open the third one. Is it another one? Yes, see? I'm so excited. What's inside? What's inside? Oh, okay. Oh, this thing. I can't wait. I can't wait. What's this one? Yes, let's do this. Oh.
Okay, is it the same?
No, it's just a juice. It's just a juice in the bottle. And look here, you can take out some face.
Oh, there's a face.
And you can make it like a smiley thing.
You see?
Beautiful thing. I'll show you. There.
You see?
And also you
wait,
can.
Is it hard?
And yeah, it's a heart, and you can change it too. I can see it. These are the face. You can switch it. And like it. What surprise you get next? Along with the Moji Pops, now I'm going to open the Barbies. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Yes, 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 yes. And then we're going to open these.
The other one, baby. First, this one.
You have to open this first. This is the first one. I want to open this now. How? To open this puppy. Oh, it's a puppy. The next one. Yeah, the next one. It's a unicorn.
You see?
Unicorn and a puppy. I'm going to show
Wow.
you the puppy. And this is just a book for me. I like it. So soft. So soft. So soft. And these are done. Now I'm going to do this one. Is it the same? It's not the same. It's just a puppy. It's just this one.
Oh, it's a cute puppy. I like it. With the purple.
It's not a puppy.
It's a puppy.
It's not a puppy.
With a crown, Leon.
Yeah. Mom,
What's that?
it's cat.
You see?
Yeah, she's eating some fruits. Some fruits are scattered. This is her's eating some food.
She's eating some food. What food is that? Is that a pineapple?
Pineapple, yeah.
Okay. Do you like your toys?
Yeah.
This one. You put it there.
You can change it also like this is the same face. We can change it. And her. I'm going to do it too smelly. Do it there. And it's crying. I'll change it. Can you please wait?
Yeah, we can wait.
There.
Oh, there. Oh, is she crying?
Yeah, I'm going to change it.
And can you put it here so I can see? Oh, she's crying.
I'm going to change it. So you want her to be happy?
Yeah, I want her to be happy.
You want her to be. Oh, you want her to be this one?
Yeah, I want her to be like that.
It's getting stucker. I'm going to put this in and do like this so I can put it. Oh, it's here now.
Let me see. Oh, she has 2 red hearts eyes.
Also, you can change with this too.
Okay. And what about your pets? You have new pets.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'll count one, 2, 3, and 4.
The unicorn. Can you face the purple one? Can you face here the purple
This one?
Yeah. So I can see how it looks like. I cannot see it.
Okay.
I cannot see it. There, I can see it. She has what do you call this?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Oh, she has purple ribbon. And the other one? She has purple crown.
And this one have sparkly necklace, this dog, and this one have sparkly necklace too and sparkly wing.
Yeah. And it's blue. Where's the other one? Like this. Where did you put it?
You mean this one?
Oh, okay.
This is for other. Wait, the other one is for here, and we can change the
Okay.
face. Where's the face? Oh, the face. I think this is for here. This one is for here, so we can change.
Okay.
I want her to be so crying. Yes, change it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Yummy. Today I'm going to open this Dinosaur brand and this sticker. I'm going to open it. But how? Is there a zipper? Let's find out. Yeah, there's a zipper here. Let's do it. Yes, find out. But I'm so talkative, like my babies. Maybe this is I'm going to open this all because why did you not zip the zipper? Now yes, do it. Use brown. Let's find out. Wow! There's this dino. We're going to build it. I'm going to build it, okay? I know how to build it. Let's find out. And then I'm going to open this one. Wow, it's the dinosaur foot. Looks like this.
Maybe you're gonna build everything. Yeah, you have to.
And then I'm going to open this one. It's the dragon ears.
Is it ears? Are they ears?
And one more leg and arms. We did
Legs.
We did all of them. Yes, check.
Okay. Now you're starting to build it. You have to build it.
Did I get it all?
Did I get it all?
Did I get it all?
Yeah. Okay, you build it.
Okay. Dinosaur. Why is it like this? Why is it like this? Mommy made it like this. Why is it like this? Oh, the arm. Silly me. Like the arm. Now we're going to open this one.
Those are egg stickers. Those are egg stickers, Messi. Okay, open it.
Okay, I haven't opened it yet. Okay, how to open it, but let's find out. This sticker.
Oh, you count the stickers.
Now I'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. It's 26.
Okay.
Now yes, take off them. Yes. Oh, there. It is a sticker. I love it. Cool. And then I am going to take care of my pets because I am going to bring them in my home. They're new pets. And then yes, start with the first pet. Yes.
What's the name of your dog?
Ruffy.
Roofy?
Yeah.
Okay, and then your cat? Where's your cat?
The cat is right here.
Okay, what's her name?
Her name is Fluffy.
Waffly?
Fluffy.
Lovely. Okay, and the other one?
This one.
What's the name?
Ruff.
Ruff Ruff. Okay. So you have 3 pets there.
Yeah, I mean her name is Meow. Her name is now Meow Meow.
Meow, meow, meow.
And what is its name again?
You said Roofy.
Okay, Ruffy. This is Ruffy. This is Meow Meow. This is Ruff.
Ruff Ruff. Okay.
I'm going to hug my first pet. I like him. Look, he can bark.
Wow.
First, you have to squeeze his mouth, and then he will.
Okay, what is he saying?
He's saying, "I like the end."
Okay.
He wants a hug.
Okay, and then what about the cat? Is she talking?
Yes, but her can't bark look because there's cat. And this one can bark because it's just her.
Okay.
This one can only bark. This dog saying, "I like you, Liam."
Okay.
Bye bye everyone. See you next video. Learn with me and subscribe.